Assalamualaikum, my little students. I hope you all are fine, doing great, and must be obeying your parents. Students, today we will be learning the concept of measurement. We will talk about size, length, height, quantity, and weight. Contents. Now the contents are size, length, height, quantity, and weight. Learning goals of the lesson. This lesson will help students to meet the following educational standards. A child will understand the concept of measurements, and he'll be able to understand the concept of size, length, height, quantity, and weight very clearly. First, we will talk about size. Here are two pictures for you, a bus and a car. If we see at the size of both pictures, bus is bigger than the car. So we can say bus is big, whereas car is small. Here is a task for you. Take the big one. Now there are two balls, and ball 1 is bigger than the second ball. So I will take the first ball because I have to take the big one. So ball number 1 is the big one, so I will take the ball. As we are done with task 1, now here is a quiz for you. And quiz is, you just have to circle a small picture. There are different groups of pictures. You just have to circle the small one from each group. Now I'll do the first one for you. Look at the picture. There are two apples. Apple number 1 is the bigger one than the second apple. So I will circle the second apple. Why? Because I have to circle the small one. After size, we will talk about length. To understand the concept of length, let's have a look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Great! We can see two worms sitting on a measuring tape. If we look at first worm, it is approximately 6 inches, whereas worm at the second side is 3 inches. 3 is less than 6, so we can say that worm 1 is long, whereas worm 2 is short. Now, to understand the concept more clearly, let's do a task together. In task, we have to take the long one. Here is a picture which has 2 carrots. And I have to take the carrot which is long. Which carrot is long? Very good. Carrot 2 is long. So I will take carrot 2. Excellent. Now you can do it yourself. Excellent work. Wow, great. Now you have learned the concept of length. So here is a quiz for you. Take the small picture of each group. So there are 4 groups of different pictures. You have to take the small picture. Now first we have 2 pencils. Which pencil is small? Wow, second pencil. So I will take second pencil because I have to take the small one. Great. Now you will do it yourself. So far, we have talked about size and length. Now we will talk about height. It means that we will measure vertically. Look at the picture. There is a girl and a boy. Look at the height of boy. He is tall, whereas a girl is short because she has low height. Here is another picture. There are two monkeys. Monkey number 1 is tall, whereas the monkey number 2 is short. It means if we measure their height vertically, monkey number 2 has low height. So we can say monkey 1 is tall and monkey number 2 is short. Now here is a task for you, and the task is take the picture that is short. There are two carrots. We are going to see which carrot is short. Now we will take the carrot which is short. Let's take. Oh, carrot number 1 is short. Wow, now we will talk about quantity. Do you know what a quantity is? No? Oh, it's okay. Let's learn together. Quantity means a number of objects in a group. Like we have to count the number of objects in a group. How many objects are in a group? If we look at the picture, there are two groups of leaves. If we look at the first side, group 1, it has 3 leaves, whereas group 2 has 10 leaves. It means the quantity of leaves is more or many in the second group, whereas in group 1 there are few leaves. To understand the concept more clearly, let's do one more example. It is a task. Take the picture that has many flowers. Now, here are two groups of flowers. In group 1, there are 3 flowers, whereas in group 2, there are 12 flowers. So we can say the quantity of group 2 is more as compared to group 1. So we can say that group 1 has few flowers, whereas group 2 has many flowers, because group 2 has 12 flowers, which are more than 3 flowers. That's why we can say group 1 has few objects, whereas group 2 has many objects. Very good. Now you have learned it. Excellent. Okay. To understand the concept more clearly, here is another task for you. And task is take the group with many objects. There are 3 groups. And in each group is divided into further groups. Now look at first group. They are flowers. At one side there are 4 flowers, and in second side, look, let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have to take the picture or group that has many objects. So we will take the second picture, the second group. Wow, great. Now rest 2 groups you have to do yourself. Now the last but not the least is weight. Weight means the measurement in the sense of heaviness or the lightness of an object. Now if we see at the picture, ball 1 at the first side is light as compared to the second one. Look, the second object is heavier. Look at the second object, it is heavier. So we will say first object is light, whereas the second object is heavy. As we are done with the concept of weight, now here is a quiz for you. This quiz will help you to become a master of the concept. I mean, after this quiz, you'll be master of the concept of weight. Let's do it. Quiz is circle the picture that is heavier. Now, here are different groups of pictures. Look at picture number 1. Group number 1, there are 2 pictures. At one side there is a feather, whereas in the second side this is peacock. Now which one is heavier one? We have to circle that. Which one? Feather. Okay. Peacock. Yes. Very good. So we will circle the peacock. So my dear students, today we armed ourselves with the concept of size, like big and small, length, short and long, height, tall and short, quantity, many and few, and weight, light and heavy. Now you will tell me how was the lecture. I hope you have learned today and you must have enjoyed the lecture. Now at the very last, I will say stay at home, stay safe and take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.